In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove TurboTax Live Deluxe. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, log into your TurboTax account, and then from here, what you want to do is go to Tax Home first, and from here, you want to just open up any of these so we can go to Review, Edit, or pick up where you left off. It doesn't really matter. And then here on the left, you will see a bunch of different things. What you want to do is click on Switch Products down at the very bottom, and then you want to click on Clear and Start Over. Now, mind you, this will completely clear your entire filing, so whatever you have written up to this point and put in, everything will be cleared and you'll have to start over. But unfortunately, this is the way of doing it. So here, you want to press Yes if you are sure you want to. And then it's going to start clearing your return, and it's going to basically take a bit of time. There we go. And it says your return has been cleared. You want to press continue over here. And then after just a few seconds, you'll basically start loading, and you're going to come to this page where it's going to say, we're glad you're here. So then you want to press got it. And from here, you want to basically put in this part yet again. So you will have to basically just put in what they think applies, and then you will have to tell them anything else that applies. So for example, let's do this one and press continues. Of course, you should do it for yourself. And then over here where it says how comfortable do you feel doing your own taxes, you want to do comfortable on my own over here. Or of course you can use an expert if you want to as well. I just put this one, and then over here is where you can select different plans. So there's the different plans over here. So you have the full service, you have the assisted part over here, and then you have the do-it-yourself version. So if you want to downgrade essentially from the Live Deluxe, what you want to do is go over here where it says start for free. So you want to click start for free, and after just a few seconds, there we go. It's gonna start basically asking you questions. So you wanna just put in whatever it's right for you. So for me, I'm gonna go, I filed my own taxes, press continue. And then over here, it's gonna start loading yet again. And in just a few seconds, once this loads, there we go. It will take you over here where you will see that you have successfully downgraded your TurboTax from wherever you were earlier, assuming you were on Live Deluxe, and now you are on Premium, or you can be on the free mode, or etc. Okay, so there's a bunch of them. Depending on which one you pick, you'll basically get the one that you chose. If you don't like it, you can go to Switch Products again, and then you can click on Downgrade over here. And as you can see, it says, if you downgrade to free edition, you will no longer have access to forms or credits or other features that aren't covered in free edition. So if you actually want to go all the way down to the free edition, you want to click download to free edition, downgrade, excuse me, and it's going to say taking you over here, and there we go. You are now inside the TurboTax free edition. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.